Reservoir nutrient maintenance. During the course of the grow, the nutrients in the reservoir will be consumed by the plants. In addition, water in the reservoir will evaporate, and it is also absorbed by the plants. This action results in an increase in EC value and a variation in the pH. Our systems are fitted with an autofill system, which automatically adds reverse osmosis water when the reservoir level drops approximately 3 gallons, and refilling it to the 25-gallon capacity. Autofill, while very convenient, reduces the EC value through dilution. In addition, the added water raises the pH. To bring the reservoir EC and pH back to the desired level, nutrients will have to be added in accordance with the following procedure. Using the yardstick and capacity graph, determine the amount of water in gallons that is in the reservoir. If the measured quantity is under 10% of the maximum, in this case 25 gallons, no adjustment in water is required. If the amount of water is greater than 10%, add RO water directly until a maximum of 25 gallons is achieved. Next, take and record the current EC value of the reservoir. In this example, that reading is 972. The base EC reading, taken when we first initialized the grow, is 1400. The base reading resulted from adding 325 milliliters of Part A nutrient and Part B nutrient to the 25 gallons of RO water. To calculate the amount of nutrient to be added, subtract the current reading from the base reading, 1400 minus 972. This equals 428, which is the EC deficit in the reservoir. We can now calculate the amount of Part A and Part B nutrient which needs to be added to the reservoir using the following formula. Nutrient deficiency divided by base. This yields the percentage of the initial Part A and Part B nutrient dosage that needs to be added. In this case, 30.57 of the initial Part A and Part B is required. The initial dose was 325 milliliters. This is multiplied by 0.3057, resulting in 99 milliliters each. Add the calculated quantity of each part into the reservoir in accordance with procedure, stirring in between. Take the EC reading of the reservoir. If you calculated correctly, the EC of the reservoir will be within 5% of the base EC reading. Remember to record the readings and actions into the daily log for that particular system. Now go to the procedure and adjust the pH to get back to the required reading for this particular grow.